Right foot can go forward a little bit more, please. Good, mate.
Okay, boys. 3, 2, 1, sail.
Nice. Keep the arms out. Good, well done. Strong in the legs now, strong in the legs. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, good move. Pull. He's frothing already. On heading. Great job, bro. Well done. Yeah.